Hey guys, so a quick one. Today we're just going to show you how to get from Figma to Lovable.dev so you can, edit this code and add all of these beautiful things to your website. So I just took this from the community here, so you can just type in whatever you need for your website. So you can just get a landing page design like this and just open it up in Figma, right? So I have one here. So when you want to export this to Lovable.dev so you can manipulate it and publish it on your website, you can just go to this tools section here and search for builder.io, right? And you just need to add that to your Figma account, right? And then once you're here now, you just need to click this one. Then you export the code, and then you can use view code in Builder or open in Lovable, right? So this will open it up in the Lovable development tool, right? So you can connect a backend and manipulate this as you want. I was trying to do it here, but I couldn't do it, so I just need to keep trying a little bit about this. But you can just publish it, and then you have that Figma element into a published website, right? So super easy to use, right? You can also edit the code here. Okay, so you can think about the potential here with all the designs, right? Here's a full e-commerce website, UI UX design, right? So a lot of the implications here, one of the problems with using the AI to code is the design process can be a bit, especially like me, where you don't know how to code, is like you have to go in and keep trying to get exactly what it is you want, so it can be a bit challenging. So I'm looking forward to many more of these integrations happening. I think it's a really good way to work really fast and add design, coding development, and SEO together is going to be so powerful in the future that we can do so much together. So subscribe to the channel if you want to find out more about all of these things. If you are interested in SEO, then I have a new AI SEO course that I'll link in the comments down below that you can join if you want to get traffic to your apps and websites.